Greetings and welcome to a brief overview of the mobile specialization track offered by USJ College of ICCT. So we're going to be having a chat about why would you want to be a mobile developer and what's in it for you if you join us in our next adventures. There's so many eye-opening and fascinating statistics on smartphone usage in the last couple of years, and let me share some of you for 2020. Worldwide smartphone sales for 2020 could rise to 1.56 billion. In-app advertising could rise to $201 billion by 2021. And over 70% of YouTube traffic is coming from mobile. 99.3% of all internet users in China go online using their mobile devices in 2020, and 70% of all media time is spent on smartphones. And I bet the majority of us are a part of that 70%. So whether it is streaming Netflix or browsing through Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube, and others, smartphones have been at the heart of it all. Just think of the number of times you saw a movie trailer on TV and went ahead to find it or stream it live on Netflix. Well, how about Facebook? How many times do you log into your account daily? Now, the big question is, how do you access either Netflix or Facebook in times when you do not have access to your laptop or PC? My best guess is your smartphone. Well, there's so many more fascinating statistics, and I can share with you lots when you join me in the next semester. And with these fascinating facts, there now has been a huge demand for mobile developers. Android and iOS development are two of the top three areas suffering from high demand and low supply. That's why we need more of you. And with huge demand comes a price of earning more money compared to other development areas. So if you are able to develop your own mobile app, you might want to generate a revenue stream by making it available for purchase in the App Store or on Google Play Store. You just need the great idea and better execution of your skills, and the sky is the limit. Unlike front-end or back-end web development, building a mobile application has a more direct and immediate impact on the end user. Being able to access things like location, contacts, and schedule makes the user experience more personalized. So if you're someone who seeks to work on impactful projects, mobile development could be for you. And there is an enormous number of mobile developers out there, and many of them can be found online. So if ever you're struggling on a project or you just like to exchange with like-minded people, a whole community is just a click away. Last but not the least, the mobile development landscape is not only relatively new, but is also always evolving. So for lifelong learners and those who are afraid of getting bored with their job, with mobile development, you'll always find something new, fun, and exciting to work with. In our college, we have 3 course offerings solely focused on creating mobile apps. IT Elective 1B is focused on the fundamentals, getting your feet wet, diving and exploring the tools, the technology, and how you can mimic the look and feel of the famous successful apps. IT Elective 2B is how you can have your app integrated with other technologies, like accessing real-time data, how to have Google Maps within your app, how to create notifications, how to update your application data in real time, how to create web API services and consume it, and lots more. IT Elective 3B will be more on polishing your skills to make you globally competitive by arming you with the right processes and best practices in the industry. So in IT Elective 1B, some of the topics that we're going to touch base with are why mobile development, the difference between cross-platform and native mobile development, why Flutter, how to design and lay out your apps, how to use third-party packages so you won't reinvent the wheel, and how to modularize and organize your codes. So potential apps that we could create, it's a dev profile or dev portfolio, a dice game app, a musical xylophone app, a Spotify or media player clone-like app, a Quizler app, BMI calculator, or a world time app. In IT Elect 2B, we'll touch on topics like accessing real-time data from other data provider services, accessing geolocation information, and displaying real-time updates in a map, more advanced widgets and complex navigation, Google Firebase, cloud messaging, and some of the Google software kits and APIs, and how you can create your own REST or graphical APIs. Potential apps that we could create could be a messenger chat app or app that has Google Maps, a weather forecasting app, and a simple cryptocurrency tracking app. In IT Elect 3B, I will introduce the idea behind DevOps and design thinking, some ways to effectively manage your mobile projects in terms of allocating schedules, resources by sprints or iteration. And if we are feeling bumped up and we're craving for more adventures, then we can look into how to create apps with machine learning, computer vision, or any other emerging technologies of interest. And lastly, we're gonna publish your apps to the store, so no need to pay. I have a test account that we can exploit and experiment with. So with that being said, I am grateful for you for giving your valuable amount of time to listen to my talk, and I sincerely hope I can see all of you in the next semesters to come. Thanks, and continue having a fantastic and awesome day. I'll see you in the next one.